government secret?
There is no doubt in my mind.
Could it be, as some ancient astronaut theorists suggest, that the United States government is hiding the Alaskan Pyramid until they can fully comprehend and harness its power? Perhaps the answer can be, but the Chinese government denies that there are any pyramids in China at all, claiming that any structures resembling pyramids are actually burial mounds from the Han Dynasty.
There are a number of large pyramids in central China, but the Chinese government has gone out of their way to try to dismiss the idea that these Zhejiang province for yourself by just zooming in on this area. But the Chinese government does not want you to go in this area. It is declared off limits to everyone except for the local peasant farmers in that region. What are they hiding?
Could these pyramids reveal a different version of history than what the Chinese government wants us to know? Curiously, other modern discoveries of pyramids have been met with similar denials. In 2005, Dr. Sam Osmanagich, a professor of anthropology and amateur archaeologist, announced that he had found 5 ancient pyramids hidden in Bosnia, a claim that the Bosnian government initially supported, but then later denied.
When I first saw the pyramids in Bosnia, they look geometry.